best Powerline network adapters extend internet through electrical wiring, delivering stable, fast connections in areas where Wi-Fi signals are weak. My today's video is about top 5 best Powerline network adapters that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at TP-Link AV1000 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. The TP-Link AV1000 Powerline adapter is a practical solution for users struggling with weak Wi-Fi or unreachable Ethernet zones. By utilizing your home's existing electrical wiring, it effectively extends a stable wired connection to areas like basements, garages, or upper floors where traditional methods fail. With HomePlug AV2 technology, it delivers reliable speeds suitable for streaming, gaming, and everyday browsing, though performance depends on your electrical setup and internet plan. The built-in gigabit port ensures fast, secure connections for devices like smart TVs, PCs, and consoles. Setup is impressively simple, just plug, pair, and play, no complex configuration needed. However, users must ensure both adapters are on the same electrical circuit and plugged directly into wall outlets for optimal performance. Backed by strong cybersecurity standards, this adapter offers both convenience and peace of mind, making it a solid choice for expanding home networks efficiently. Now our second product is TP-Link AV600 Powerline Ethernet Adapter Kit. The TP-Link TLPA4010 KIT is a compact yet highly efficient powerline solution designed for users who need stable wired internet beyond Wi-Fi limits. Delivering speeds up to 600 megabits per second, it handles HD streaming, online gaming, and everyday browsing with impressive consistency, especially in areas where wireless signals struggle. One of its biggest strengths is simplicity. With true plug-and-play functionality, setup takes just minutes, no drilling, no cables, no configuration. It transforms your home's electrical wiring into a network reaching up to 300 meters, making it ideal for multi-room or multi-floor setups. Its miniature design blends seamlessly into any outlet without blocking adjacent sockets, while the intelligent power-saving mode reduces energy usage significantly when idle. Performance depends on wiring quality and circuit alignment, but when conditions are right, it delivers reliable results. Backed by a 2-year warranty and 24/7 support, it's a dependable and user-friendly networking upgrade. Our third product is TrendNet Gigabit Power over Ethernet. The TrendNet TPE115Gi PO Plus injector is a reliable and professional-grade solution for powering network devices like IP cameras, VoIP phones, and access points. With 1 gigabit Ethernet port and 1 PO Plus gigabit port, it delivers both data and power through a single cable, supporting up to 30 W for demanding devices. Performance is a standout, offering full duplex gigabit speeds up to 2 gigabits per second, ensuring smooth data transmission without bottlenecks. Its integrated power supply simplifies setup, while the wall-mountable design provides flexibility for various installation environments. The injector is also NDAA and TAA compliant, making it suitable for government and enterprise deployments. Backed by a solid 3-year manufacturer protection plan and responsive technical support, it inspires confidence in long-term use. Overall, it's a dependable, high-performance PO solution for both professional and advanced home networking needs, combining speed, power, and installation convenience effectively. Now number 4, TP-Link Powerline Wi-Fi 6 Extender. The TP-Link TLWPA7817 KIT is a powerful hybrid networking solution that combines Powerline and Wi-Fi 6 technology to eliminate dead zones. Designed for homes where thick walls block signals, it extends both wired and wireless connectivity using your existing electrical system, no drilling or complex setup required. With AV1000 Powerline speeds reaching up to 980 feet, it ensures stable data transfer across long distances. The integrated AX1500 Wi-Fi 6 delivers fast dual-band performance, supporting smooth 4K streaming, gaming, and connections for up to 64 devices simultaneously. Setup is effortless with plug, pair, and play functionality, while the one-click Wi-Fi clone feature instantly syncs your network settings. Easy mesh compatibility further enhances coverage by creating seamless whole-home Wi-Fi, Performance may vary depending on wiring quality and circuit conditions, but overall, it's a versatile and efficient solution for expanding both wired and wireless networks reliably. And our last choice is Netgear Powerline Adapter Kit. The TP-Link AV2 Powerline adapter stands out as a high-performance solution for extending wired internet without relying on Wi-Fi. Using existing electrical wiring, it delivers stable gigabit speeds, making it ideal for 4K streaming, gaming, and connecting smart TVs or consoles in signal-dead zones. Powered by HomePlug AV2 technology, it ensures faster and more reliable data transmission, while MIMO with beamforming intelligently directs signals for improved coverage and consistency. The built-in noise-filtered pass-through outlet is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to use the same socket without sacrificing performance. Setup is refreshingly simple, just plug and play, with no software or configuration required. It's also scalable, letting you add more adapters to expand your network further. While performance depends on your home's electrical wiring quality, this adapter delivers excellent wired stability and speed, making it a dependable choice for users who prioritize consistent connectivity over Wi-Fi convenience. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.